This is Signal Hounds, talking RF, and today we're talking about how Signal Hound products meet the needs of the commercial industry. When it comes to interconnected, diversified, growing markets including manufacturing, wireless, telecom, and data communications, Signal Hound spectrum analyzers provide high-quality RF spectrum analysis tools at an unrivaled value. We deliver premium products that give the user incredible performance in areas like sweep speed, phase noise, and real-time analysis. These aspects of our products make a difference to RF professionals across the commercial industry. Hello and welcome to Talking RF. Sean here with Tom Lane, president of Signal Hound, and today we're talking about who Signal Hound is on the commercial side of the RF and test and measurement industry. When it comes to commercial RF applications, industrial processes, instrumentation, automation, we design and build high-performance spectrum analyzers, tracking generators, vector signal generators, and more. And this is all accompanied by our powerful Spike software. Tom, let's dig into the commercial space. Exciting, huh? Who is Signal Hound in the commercial space?
We have to be premium. The banner specs that we talk about all the time, the Dano, the spurious performance, those specs are really important to our customers. So we have to have a very high standard from a premium perspective. But accessibility is also really important. Having been on the other end of the spectrum, working for a small company, trying to afford test and measurement equipment, we have to be accessible to both small businesses and worldwide organizations.
Where in the commercial industry do our products excel the most?
Signal products excel anywhere you need to take an accurate measurement of RF data or RF signals. So we have customers all over the board. We have customers mounting our equipment onto UAVs and flying around cell phone towers to do antenna measurements and antenna direction measurements. We have customers putting Signal Hound equipment out in really remote locations where they don't have operators, and they're taking remote accesses or remotely accessing and then leave behind. Basically, it's leave behind test and measurement equipment. We have customers that are using these in their labs, engineers that have them on their desktops. We have customers that are using us on manufacturing lines. We're starting to see folks use them when they're installing IoT applications inside homes. They're using our equipment all over the place.
Interesting. Can you talk about what companies purchase our products and what specific uses they purchase our products for?
In general, we have two major markets and two major groups of customers that are buying our products. There's the classic test and measurement folks, the folks that are doing EMC pre-compliance. That's a good example. They're the folks that just need to do RF test and measurement. They need to see what's happening in a spectrum and understand it. And that's our commercial side. And those are so diverse. Just about any customer that you could think of that has a need for an RF measurement will be using our products. The other side is more of the monitoring, TSMC side, surveillance and countermeasures, kind of the spectrum monitoring side of the business. Those folks are using our products to monitor spectrum. They're looking for things like nefarious signals. They're looking for things that are not supposed to be there when they are there. They may be using our products to look for and detect when a Wi-Fi hotspot turns on, things like that.
Can you talk about where and who we want to be in the automotive industry?
We have a few customers in automotive today, and they're using our equipment for monitoring applications and for some R&D, research and development work. But I would like to see us grow more on the manufacturing test line. That I think there's a good fit. We're fully automatable. We are premium and accessible, very accessible from a pricing perspective. We should be a good fit for volume manufacturing.
And what is the future of the commercial RF industry in general, and where does Signal Hound fit in that commercial space?
So the future really, wider bandwidths, higher frequencies, faster access times, smaller footprints, all of those things have always been since the first radios were developed in the 1800s. That's kind of been the way the hardware is going. And Signal Hound is heading in that direction as well with hardware. Our roadmap includes wider bandwidths. Our roadmap includes higher frequencies. Our roadmap includes faster sweep rates and faster measurement times, et cetera. So we're really very well positioned. But I think there's another area that's really interesting, and it is in the RF machine learning and using AI and specifically to augment and assist with taking measurements.
Can you talk a little bit about the commercial space in large venues?
Think of a rock concert venue, for example. There are wireless mics. There are command and control systems that are running on bands that they need to know that that particular band is clean and free of other transmissions, so that the purpose that they need that band for can be utilized. That they can utilize that band for the purpose they need to utilize that band for. You'll see Signal Hound equipment in that space. We will be there monitoring those bands, looking for signals that shouldn't be there in large venues.
If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Like, follow, and subscribe for more Signal Hound and RF content.